I want to get back to our weather, though, because we're dealing with our own rain, not nearly as intense, but still downpours in some locations, especially close to Gainesville. Denton also seeing a little storm just to the north of Justin. So Denton County, they're getting in on some of the rain, and that rain continues over Collin County. Very, very small pockets of rain across the Metroplex, but a lot of this continues to push towards the south. I want to show you what Denton looks like because right now we are seeing some of this cloud cover overhead. That cloud cover in turn is helping our temperature stay cooler than what we have been the last several days. About 83 degrees right now in Denton, but it feels like 86. Here's a look at how that rain is progressing, though, from north to south, moving into Denton and Collin County. We'll continue to see this push towards the south as the morning goes on, as the afternoon goes on. Some of those outflows have caused additional development across portions of Jack County and across portions of Wise County. So I'll be watching that as it progresses towards the south. Now, I'm not expecting severe weather. However, we do have a marginal risk. That's a level 1 out of 5 for the likelihood of seeing a strong to severe storm. The main concern today will be the potential for some gusty winds up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and this mainly south of the Metroplex, along 35 and 45 roughly. Again, this is not going to be widespread. This is going to be a very isolated storm that has this potential. I increased the coverage for rain up to 30% for today. So this is Friday around 4. We could see this kind of ramp up south of the Metroplex. That's just a little bit more available moisture in the area. And this is all as a front pushes south. So both of those things kind of working together to bring us some additional rainfall, some for our western counties as well. A lot of this will start to kind of fizzle out as we approach 10, 11, midnight tonight. And then we're just looking at cloud cover. The cloud cover, by the way, really nice. Keeps us out of the triple digits. The last couple of days were tied for hottest days of the year so far. Today, 96 for the high, and that's if the cloud cover clears. Right now, it's looking pretty dense, so I think we'll struggle to even get to 96 today. Our air quality still in place. Air quality alert, I should say, still in place for today. High levels of ozone is the main reason. We're dealing with lowered air quality, so if you have respiratory issues, you might want to limit your time outside. In fact, very unhealthy right now, meaning high levels of pollution. So try to avoid spending a long period of time outside. Try to avoid working out outside today just because our air quality is not the best. The rain is going to help out, though. It should help clear some of this out. So Saturday, we talked about the rain potential there. We have 20% coverage, and that rain comes in from the northwest. So we'll see it moving into the area, and it'll fizzle out the closer it gets to the Metroplex around 10 in the morning. Closer to noon, we'll start to see this really start to kind of fade away. And then by then, it'll just be isolated at best. 20% coverage for us, meaning most of us won't see the rain, but it will be in the general area. That overall keeps our temperatures in the mid to upper 90s for Saturday and for Sunday. Don't get me wrong, it's still going to be hot. The heat index in the triple digits. Actual triple digits will be back next week as school starts. Temperatures in the hundreds. It stays that way most of next week. This is very typical for August. In fact, Chris, most of our triple digits happen in August on average.
Unfortunately so, Marielle. Thank you very much. All week.